You look like someone looking for a new suit and something to do.
Yeah!
Well, we have good news for you. Introducing Jolynn's D.I.Y. Swimsuit Kit. With our D.I.Y. Swimsuit Kit, you can pick and choose which color and style you want to build. With endless choices and colors to choose from, you are now the designer and creator of your next favorite suit. Plus, you have a new hobby. Each D.I.Y. swimsuit kit comes with bindings, each piece of the suit that you'll need, thread, and super easy to follow instructions. You got it, Kel.
Sewing machine and equipment not included. D.I.Y. swimsuit final results may vary. For best results, buy a pre-made suit on the site.